back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. What, how to do, how things, how life. Bless up to each and every one. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. All right, so let's get down into the video. In the video, I'm going to talk about Dwayne. Mr. Fletcher, you may come about in another video. I come to talk to you, sir. Come for a little reasoning with you. My first question to you, Mr. Fletcher, sir, my first question is, when you go stop coming out here, come make a fool of yourself, Mr. Fletcher? When? You know you're back with some serious denial. Do you want me to tell you something? You remind me of some toxic ex. You know them type of ex there we can't get over them partner. The partner left them and gone and move on with them life, and instead of them moving on with for them life, them try to do everything in a them power to tear down the individual, all because them can't get them back. The individual move on and I do fine without them, happy without them. And them can't stand for see that. So instead of moving on with for them life, go try for better for them life. Them seek revenge. Then them become a thorn. Them become a thorn in the partner's backside. And that are the thing with you now, Mr. Fletcher. That are the thing now with you. I saw you behave with Lady D like some toxic ex. Same so you behave. It's like you can't let go, and no matter how you try, you just can't let go. You can't move on. The lady is not your family, nor is she your friend. She drop you like a hot potato. And instead of you know, get up and brush yourself and move on. It's like you plan to make the woman mad you. You plan to make the woman mad you? Every day you come out and you say she a old woman because she in her 50s, so she a old woman. Then how it all look for make you young boy, because I don't know you how much, for make you young boy make a old woman mad you? How it look for see a old woman and mad you out doing? So it look like say now the reality just a kick in. It just a kick in now after several attempts to regain the head boy position. Your last attempt, and when you send the super chat the other day, you send the super chat whether you want to admit it or not. You send that super chat hoping that you would get some acknowledgement. You can't fool nobody. You send the super chat hoping you would get some acknowledgement. And because you say you don't get the acknowledgement, it burn you like a hot cornmeal porridge. Your heart sank because deep down you're disappointed. You know deep down you're disappointed, Mr. Fletcher. Because if you had gotten that acknowledgement after you sent the super chat, you would have take it to your platform and you would have over the gloat as always. Just few weeks ago, you know. Just few weeks ago, you were out here pressing so hard. I press so hard to get back in at the planker shop. You try so hard. I tell the people, them plankers, I am coming home. I am coming home. You were doing everything in your power, Mr. Fletcher. You tried, but to no avail. Facts can't get the grape, the facts say it's sour. So now that things no work out in your favor, you decide to become revengeful. You decide now for go down in your archives, digging up old videos with old story. I get a lot of people mix up and tangle up back in a social media bangarang. Some of the people them who will not even remember their name. We not even remember say some of them the people that did in a planker shop. That's how far you go back go dig. What are you hoping to achieve, Dwayne? What are you hoping to accomplish in all of this? You see one come out here and say you're not well. Right? You say you're not hearty. And you don't like when people talk about your sickness or tell you about your sickness. When people do that, you get in your feelings or you come on your platform and you start play a victim. Me personally, no run sickness joke. I'm gonna cuss people about sickness because now we don't know what can happen to it in the future. But what I am going to say, if you know say you're not hearty doing, and you create so much animosity out there and make so much problem, then support you did hearty. Hmm? Support you did whole. You da burn down social media out here da burn down. What really a burn you in a brethren? What really a burn you? Cause me hear you keep on a talk about that. You emphasize span that. And the fact that Lady D black you for Erica. But Lady D never just get up and block you, so Mr. Fletcher. Look on the amount of chance Lady D give out here. Look on the amount of chance Lady D give out here. She never just get up and block you. And when you look now, you see the plank of them accept Erica and them not accept you back. That bunny, that bunny. Cause several times me you talk about that, so obviously it a bunny. And then for add to it now, Lady D and Ashanti mend fences. Ashanti good in the plank of them book. Ashanti whole position over here. The plank of them still not fat pa you. So we know that at this so all of this a come from. No matter how you come out, you can cuss out the plank of them and you go on, and you go on, and you go on. You still wanted to be a part of the planka. You go as far back for go dig up videos. Dig up videos you put out there for when plankers used to cheer you on. You go back for all of them memories there for when the planker them used to cheer you on. But no, and then at two different time, them the time them never know the real you. Look all upon Claudia when not even the over this section again. Claudia no business or give a about no planka right now. Claudia move on. Claudia mind her business. Claudia do different things. Claudia hold position over partner draw TV. Claudia no business about no planka and no planka bangarang. You dig up stories and have out here with the woman name over here in a mix up again. Look how long them be something they pass and go and doing. Why you do this? How this a go benefit you? Now you tell me how it a go benefit you. Now you want farm alliance. Now you call out people for come with farm alliance because they have their alliance over there. So make we farm for we over here. So but if ever you have memory problem, doing. If ever like I say you have memory problem, then now the same people them where you call for make no farm alliance. You feel like they like you? Some of them might tolerate you. Some might tolerate you, but they not like you. Them know what you are about. Them know you can't be trusted. Them know say as soon as them let you back in, you go turn against them again and you go come back out, you can sal them and dog them out and cuss them out. As something where you do over and over and over again. So them study you, them know you. Nobody no want form no alliance with you. Them already have them own alliance. Them no stupid. Them know say because you get rejected, make you a draw for them now. They know that. Them know say anyhow lady did accept you. This time around, you would have out here a sing a different song, You would have out here cuss them, you would have out here class them and dog them out right now. So them now make you use them again. You can't catch them again. Them wise up. Them now fall for your bait the win. See, they adjust what they are cheer on Kingston 13. Adjust what they are cheer on Kingston 13. And see, you flip and have the woman a mix up back in a bangarang again. The same woman where you out here a cheer on. It's like you can't make up your mind. You can't decide your mind. If you want to roll solo, you want form alliance or you want in a team, you can't make up your mind. How much time you come out here say you're not the part of team, you're not the part of nobody's side. Eh? Now you kiss asses. You're kissing asses. Figure form alliance. That just go for sure you can't stand by your own. You can't handle it on your own. Look at you now over there as suck up to Curly, the same woman where your dog out. The same woman where your dog out, you over there as suck up to Curly. All I try to buy out Curly with super chat. But if you think Curly a fool, you make a sad mistake. Curly a no fool out here. Yes, she might entertain you now. But no, but I feel like you can trick her again. Curly not trust nobody out here. Curly hardly trust himself, much less we go trust you. She know exactly what you are about, just like everybody else. The people them know you're not good smarty doing. Them know you're not genuine. Them afraid of you. And if you would have go to this length to try to bring down smarty, it tells a lot about your character. The people them a take sleep and mark that. But me no know. What me not understand. You see, your claim say you're so loved by your family, everybody love you and all of that. So why are you out here, seeking acceptance from social media? Hmm? It a puzzle me. Because if you are so loved and you have family like that in your circle, you don't need social media. You don't need love and acceptance from total strangers. Hey, me tell you, no see rejection. Rejection is a serious thing. You know, see rejection? Rejection is a serious thing. God, may I beg you, do. Don't make me obsessed with nobody so. Don't make me obsessed with nobody so. I don't care who. Don't make me obsessed with nobody so. Till you reach a point where anything fi happen and make you move on. Eh? Me stay there stuck with them for ever, ever, amen. Mr. God, no give me them the obsession then. No make me obsessed with nobody so. Oh, God, them they breed a obsession, they can't be blessing and must be a curse. If you get up and obsessed with somebody who not obsessed with you, I must a curse upon you. Move on, sir. Move on. You're out here and making a fool of yourself. A flip flop. So every minute you make a fool of yourself. Right now, even the same people where you try to wiggle back yourself in a them way, them see you as idiot. And clearly you have a problem with people who close to Lady D. And hence the reason you're gone back past for Chris case now. You come out here and you seek, you come out here and you apologize and you beg forgiveness. The man forgive you. The man accept your apology. Now just look at you again. Look at you now. The attention where you seek, Mr. Fletcher, in out here, so I be a stranger the out here, so. Seek the attention from the people them who are around you, your loved ones, them, family and close friends. And them the attention that you're supposed to seek. Let go for the lady the way she not breastfeed you, she wean you a long time, let her go. Put her down. Go and direct your focus on other things. You have way more important things for your focus on now. I no time now for out here make mischief. And when you come out here, come keep up your effort, them the one then clap your back and clap your hard. You go sit down and wallow in a self-pity and look sorry for. You come out here and behave like you're innocent and behave like a poor thing because you want people to feel sorry for you too. Enough is enough, man. If you want to build your platform with all of that without build your platform without all of them unnecessary bullshit. Yeah. Hmm? Cause me no understand. Me no understand how no come out here, how no sound no rich, how no have this, how no have that. And how no have to go so hard. How no have to go so hard for social media money. Uno say uno no love social media money, you know. Uno say uno don't love social media money. Then why the backside uno go so hard? Uno could have fooled me. You need to let go. Heal. Go heal yourself. Move on. Every day you come out here, oh, Dana no God, Dana no God. But at the end of the day, you see her as God. It's like she are your God. You just a show it every day so you can't do without her. It's like when you call her name, you get some form of comfort. Me don't know whether you call it for good or you call it for bad. But it's like you get some form of comfort out of it. So you just decide so you have to call her name. And if you can't call it for good, you go call it for bad. But you're going to call her name continuously. You no matter where you go, everywhere you turn, you have to return right back yourself. You can call the woman name. You did left for you go on a TikTok, you know. You left for you go with your TikTok, and where you do now, you end up right back over here, so I call the woman name. Just one day you out here preach peace. You beg peace, literally. Look pa you now out here promote war. Mommy, you need to come for your son. Me not even remember what you say your mother name, but even if me remember, me not call your mother name. Mommy, come for your son. Come for your son, Dwayne, mommy. Him need you. Him out here a seek love and acceptance from other picking him, mommy. Him out here a obsessed with other kids, mommy. Come get your son, mommy. Come take him off of the media. Other kids, mommy, out here a drive him crazy. Yeah, mommy, come get your son. Come get your son. Right now, you should have the out here give thanks for life. Hmm? You should have out here give thanks for life. But understand, say, your situation might make you become miserable and stressful and depressed at times. But it no mean so you have to take out your misery for other people. Who to tell if you direct your focus off of them foolishness ya where you dwell pan a daily and start put your focus in the right places. You might surprise to see the miracle where God can work in your life. Miracle exists. You just have to have faith. Have faith and believe in a God. Maybe you reach a stage where you give up on life and not tell yourself so you know you just go and do some free. You just go and do some free or anything. But listen, as long as there is life, there is still hope. I know what man say, I know what doctor say, and what God say. Enough is enough, man. And if you continue behave like this, you go on so till you wreck yourself entirely on social media. At the end of the day, it no matter what, your peace of mind and your mental health comes first. So sit down out here and continue make an answer yourself. I wonder if you go back more time, go sit down and watch your old videos them. This minute you cheer and smaddy, the next minute you tear them down. You see you out here upon a rage now? Give a little more time, you come back out here again and you turn Pastor Dwayne. You turn missionary Dwayne, you sit down and you preach sermon. You turn counselor. You preach sermon, you give advice. Then whoever in your circle, you start this them, you start cuss them, you start run them. Then you go start draw back for the planks again as you call them. You go start big up Lady D again. You go take back everything where you did see already. All of the bad sitting them where you say you go take them back. And you go come contact, oh, you would never cuss her again. And she's a good woman. And you come with all of the compliments there is. It's like it's a cycle with you. It's a cycle, and by now we figure you out. But me not to put you upon practice in Mr. Fletcher. Me not to put you upon practice out here. Cause if we try to study you, we are go mad. Cause if we try to study you, we are go mad. I mean, I want mad. Just hope for your sake you will find the peace that you've been looking for out here. Just hope for your sake that one day you will move on from this. You will get over it and move on. Because until then, you're going to be out here flipping and flapping. Can't find no abiding city. But as me say already, mommy, come get your son. Come get your son here, mommy. All right. Anyways, my love, thanks for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video from me. All right. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and I will see you all in another video. Peace out. Much love. See you later. Bye bye.